All right, let me get my Gucci flip-flops on. Let me walk outside to my $2 million mansion in the hills with my good one, dumbass, with my designer dog who can't get up this beautiful spiral staircase. I think that's what's so funny about all this, honestly. Oh, and I don't show my face. And now we are introducing our stock course again. And this is going to be another video talking about another person with a stock course and if it is a scam or not. I think it's pretty humorous. So I want to talk about that. And again, Patrick Wieland, I'm sorry you're on the chopping block, but I don't really have anything to say sorry about because it's not like I have anything really bad to say. You know, you guys, I want to discuss some things. There's a few things, common things I don't like with these YouTube finance stock people. There's a common theme, but again, I actually like Patty. I've already gave him a nickname more than I like Ricky. I don't even know them. I like him a little better. Again, still some common things they don't like. And actually, I don't know. Maybe if you ever see this, Patty, correct me. There's somebody who commented on my YouTube videos before talking a bunch of shit, and they had the same exact name. I blocked them, but you know, if there's beef, let me know. I would like to know if that was you, but I don't have any hard feelings. I guess TBD, right? But not really. Again, regardless, even if you had anything negative to say, you know, my thoughts really don't change on kind of what he's doing. I like the guy. I like him, and it's not too big of a deal. But I guess let's get into it. Well, actually, before I get into it, if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. Again, this is the humorous part, and I'm going to follow up with that and talk about that. But the humorous part is this is a stock trading channel with real estate videos. We're going to be having the pledge class, which is like a stock trading course, but we have not done that for a year. And that's, you know, I should have probably made these review videos and talking about, because I have an interesting story I'm going to share with you guys about all this stuff, but probably should have done this when we weren't selling any courses, but honestly, it doesn't even fucking matter. I think you guys just love the beef. You guys love the drama regardless. That's why I think it's even funny that I'm making these videos. You got people love to watch them. Patty himself even said it in one of his videos. He should just go make videos about Ricky. He's made videos about Ricky. You know, this is some, you know, it's some fucked up love triangle we got going on here. But you know, it's fun. You guys just like, I'm giving you guys what you want. You guys want the drama. You guys react to it. You guys want a fucking cult. I'd make a cult. Like, you know, I'm just giving the people what they want at this point. It doesn't really matter. So I think it's humorous because I see people do this, but with a lot of again, like I'm saying, I want to go about this objectively. You guys, I'm just talking. People actually want to know my opinion on these. I thought people were well aware of what my opinion was on these people. That's why I never even named it. I didn't even want to expose people to dumb shit, but fuck it, man. You guys are going to find cocaine on your own, am I right? It's the stock market, and then again, people's motivations are very, very interesting. And you guys all just want money. You guys, you know, if you're looking up trading stuff, if you know, you're greedy. Let's be real. And that's, you know, it doesn't matter. You know, and I think the marketing's interesting and everything. You know, again, the making the review videos. So why do you think I'm laughing? I'm putting on Gucci flip-flops. I'm literally in Bel Air, one of the richest zip codes in the world, and I have a nice car, you know. So, but the thing is, when I've seen reviews about me, and I'm gonna make a whole nother video on that. I'm gonna respond to all this because it's crazy when people, you know, they assume stuff. So even with Patty, Ricky, any of these other videos I'm going to make, I have my opinions on these people, but I only know so much. I'm not here to make up anything. I don't want to make up anything. And, you know, I think it's funny to give actually a better look on this because I do have my take on it. But give me your guys' questions. This is funny to me. I'm having a lot of fun doing this. But let's start with the positive. Mr. Patty Wieland. I like the work level, but mainly the transparency. Saw a video he posted 4 months ago. He went over his brokerage statements. He's really big on that, and I love the humor, dude. The guy is humorous. He's witty. That's what I say. I'm attracted to him, no homo, in the sense that I like his personality. He's really raw. He's really real. But also at the same time, this will probably go in the negative, his background with what he has is cool though. He has like a marketing background, he's done stuff with that, he's posted about it, and you know, he kind of has a little bit of that marketing vibe, but he's authentic. You know, I like that. I like his comments on stuff. I agree with him on a lot of stuff. So he's good in that. I love his grind. I think he should have way more than 45,000 subscribers, honestly. Again, he's better than some of the other stuff I've seen. So I like that about him. I like that he authentic, real, different, entertaining. He puts a lot of work in his videos. He's active, does a lot of content. I could respect all that. And he didn't always sell something, and that's some of the conflict people have had. And you know, I could see, you know, it's, again, this is funny from my take. You guys are talking, you know, it's not like I'm the consumer of this stuff, but seeing it, how even both consumers and people reacted, and I'm giving my take on it. The guy, you know, he had free stuff. He kind of criticized free stuff, but then has his own little service thing. Honestly, I don't think there's anything wrong with that. You know, I think he's criticized it rightly. He's pretty upfront with what he's doing, just education stuff. He's, you know, affiliate marketing, and that's what I was saying. That's kind of the bad stuff with trade. You know, he does it with trade ideas or his, you know, his marketing past. He's doing affiliate marketing of some sort with some of that stuff. But again, I think I'm relating it. I see him, guys like Ricky. It's like guys who write books. You know, if you write a book, you know, they put in the work. You know what you're getting. It's not anything crazy. But again, I think is the level of value and content and quality. I think he provides that. I think he provides more so than not. It's just, again, for me, where I verge off in different, it's just a different type of content. That's it. You know, I don't do technical analysis. I don't do day trading like that. Now, this is my biggest problem. There's two problems I have that it leads into. This is my problem with most of the YouTubers in general, especially like Ricky and a lot of these guys promoting the day trading stuff like this. And you know, this is what they trade. It's just all this isn't the main problem. This is the second one. I'll save the main one. But one, it's like these $2, $3, $5 stocks. They're trading penny stocks, or they're trading these cheap ass levered ETFs. And I get it. But that's what I'm saying, that you have to understand. And I think a lot of people are pretty clear on it. They're, you know, what they're selling and what their strategy and approach is. It's not like it's rocket science. It's like if you had chickens, if you could buy a chicken for $1 and sell it for $2 the next day, and you knew there's a market where everybody was fucking doing that, you could do it. The stock market just makes it easy. That's all it is. It has nothing really, you know, it's just a different level of trading. Again, if you've seen the videos, even today, the market went up a shit ton, 600 points. I made $3,500, and it wasn't because lines or anything like that. But again, too, you know, my approach is very, very different, and it's options, but again, it's just completely different things, where $3,500 a day is insignificant in the sense of I'm setting up stuff 6 months, 12 months from now, taking advantage of short-term opportunities, but that's not always the case. So that is where, again, my approach is different, but I don't like penny stocks. That's it. I just don't like that cheap stuff. I think you can make money on cheaper options. You can find riskier stuff. I get it. But I think you can find better options. That's just the only thing I don't like. But if people are aware of it, some people like it. I've seen people make money. Do your thing. I don't really give a shit. But that's one thing I don't like. The next big thing, and this is something I don't like, to each his own. But a lot of the YouTube people, it's brand new traders. Patrick has even said it. He's been around for a few years, 2-3 years trading. He started his YouTube channel documenting his journey, which I think is awesome. I love it. I love what he's done with this channel. Honestly, I fucking love it. But again, 2-3 years, I've seen a lot of people, even Ricky, I think 2-3 years. These guys are new to the stock market. They've, they made money. Hopefully they get their money, take it if they're making their money off trading and all of it. And again, too, these people, I think the question, you know, people's like, oh, Ricky makes more on his courses than this. That, again, I guess at the level, if you get big enough on YouTube and you have even, you know, if you sell 1 million books for $1, you're going to make $1 million. So even if these guys are making $1 million a year trading, they're building brands and businesses beyond that. So yeah, I think they're all going to make fucking more if they're getting enough publicity. So that's the, you know, I don't really knock them for that, but again, these traders are new, so the experience level and what they're selling, and just as long as people, I think, and that's why I said it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what I say, what I market. People don't care. They see a good trade. You know, you can pull off a couple good trades. They're going to run you dry until you start fucking missing. They don't give a shit if you've been trading for 1 month or 100 years. And that's just kind of the reality of it. But that is one of my dislikes I have. But other than that, I like him. I like the guy, you know. I don't think anything wrong with it. He probably doesn't like me. I think a lot of people don't like me. If you do like me, I don't know if I really want to make a video unless we did like a diss track or like a rap battle. I think people like beef. But nah, you're pretty cool. You ever come out to LA, feel free to hit me up. Maybe I should say the same thing to everybody, honestly. At the end of this, even Ricky too. I'm sorry, man. Again, I mean all love with this. But yeah, hopefully this helps people in some way, shape, or form. Know what you guys are getting into. It's just, you know, there's different types of trading and different types of education and different types of things you can learn. Many different ways to approach it. What are your goals? Understand what you want. And, you know, at the end of the day, there's YouTube for everything, but having mentors, having people to help you, trying to get a step ahead. There's nothing wrong with that, but at the same time, you know, there's a lot of marketing nowadays and shit like that. And yeah, you know, I guess who am I to talk to you, right? But I guess take that with whatever grain of salt or whatever way you want to view it, you know? That could either be good advice, bad advice, misleading advice. That's the world. That's the stock market. You know, do you guys' thing. But yeah, I love you all. Stay in school. Now subscribe to my channel. That funny? You see what I did there? I love you all.